Over the last year we've developed 100 new homes and I'm proud of what the development team has achieved. I think the development team at Newydd is highly motivated, professional, friendly, certainly very tenacious and also highly committed to make a positive difference to people's lives through developing innovative, well-designed and highly energy efficient homes. And I'm proud to be able to have led the team in achieving that. Newydd's corporate plan sets out a clear ambition for us to grow. Over the next 5 years, we've got clear ambitions to deliver 600 new homes in South and Mid Wales. We've been lucky to have worked with some great contractors over the last year to deliver some really diverse and challenging projects and help us to develop and grow the Newydd brand. By 2027, we're aiming to diversify our development aspirations and looking to deliver a diverse development programme that will include affordable rent, homes at market rent and also homes for sale on the open market.